Hey, so what is Worrydolls app? So this is the app which is in the top charts in the App Store right now. You can see number one in health and fitness, and the concept is super easy. A simple app to help you on anxiety. So you organize all your fears or anxieties, the issues in the form of dolls. Uh, yeah, and then you can just manage easily. So for example, here I have a doll and I can just tell, I'm worried about the exam. Okay, so that's a new doll. I want to tell something to this doll and I'll just add my worry and write about it. And that's, if I do that, it's just easier to manage your worries and anxieties. And then you can just tap that you're worried or add a new doll or add another, and then if the worry is finished you can just yes, it is finished, do you want to tell more, and there you have the worry is finished. And then you will have your finished worries here, either it was exam or meeting, but seems it's okay, fine, it's fine now, so no reasons to worry. So it's just like a better way to structure and organize your worries or anxieties in the form of these dolls. So that's that.